Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to capture stunning, professional-looking videos using just your smartphone. You don't need expensive equipment to achieve high-quality results. Let's dive in and uncover some fantastic tips and tricks. Step 1. Clean the lens. Before you start shooting, make sure your smartphone's camera lens is clean. A smudged lens can lead to blurry and unclear footage. Simply use a microfiber cloth or a lens cleaning solution to wipe away any dirt or fingerprints. Step 2. Set up proper lighting. Lighting is crucial for great video quality. Natural light works wonders, so try to shoot near a window or outdoors during the golden hour. If shooting indoors, use soft, diffused lighting to avoid harsh shadows. You can even DIY a simple lighting setup using lamps or LED panels. Step 3. Steady your shots. Stability is key for professional-looking videos. Invest in a tripod or a smartphone stabilizer to eliminate shaky footage. If you don't have one, get creative, lean against a stable surface or use a makeshift stabilizer to keep your shots smooth. Step 4. Set the right resolution and frame rate. In your smartphone's camera settings, adjust the resolution and frame rate to the highest possible quality. This ensures your videos are sharp and smooth. 1080p or even 4K resolution with 24 or 30 frames per second is ideal for that cinematic look. Step 5. Use manual focus and exposure. Many smartphones allow you to manually adjust focus and exposure. Tap on your subject to set the focus point, and then adjust the exposure by sliding the exposure control up or down. This gives you more control over your shot's depth and lighting. Step 6. Maintain proper composition. Apply basic composition rules like the rule of thirds. Imagine your frame divided into a tic-tac-toe grid and position your subject along those lines or at the intersections. This adds visual interest and balance to your shots. Step 7. Experiment with angles and perspectives. Don't be afraid to get creative with your camera angles. Shoot from different heights and angles to add depth and variety to your video. Experiment with low angles for a dramatic effect and high angles for an overview. Step 8. Use slow motion and time-lapse. Many smartphones offer slow motion and time-lapse features. Use slow motion for capturing details or adding cinematic flair, and time-lapse for condensing longer periods into short, captivating sequences. Step 9. Line the audio. High-quality audio is just as important as video quality. Invest in an external microphone or use a lavalier mic for clear sound. Avoid recording in noisy environments, and consider using background music to enhance the mood of your video. Step 10. Edit like a pro. After capturing your footage, edit it using video editing apps. Trim clips, add transitions, enhance colors, and make sure your audio is well balanced. There are many user-friendly apps available for both iOS and Android. There you have it, a guide to shooting professional-looking videos using your smartphone. With the right techniques, you can achieve stunning results without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!